me your brochure.
And I'm catching feelings, baby.
I'm not sure if I'm gonna plan to speak in this video, so this is like the one time I'll speak. We're doing Senegalese Twist. Yeah, I think that's the name. I'm using braiding hair. I did it before, but I didn't do it on my channel, and I only kept it in for a week. But my hair is washed. I let it air dry. I'm gonna start with the parting and secure them with rubber bands, and then I'll crochet them in and then get to twisting. I really like Fuchsia's braiding hair, and I just got a 10 pack, 28 inches, 1D, because you guys know I don't do colored braids. And then I got some braiding gel. Why can't it be seen? Can you see it? Yeah, this is Boutique braiding gel. So this is really all you need, and rubber bands. Oh, I also decided I'm gonna add some curls, Hawaiian curls from Boho Senegalese. I think it's gonna be real cute. So I'm gonna be adding some Camille Rose Curl Aid Moisture Butter. I'm gonna twist this section. Package at the roots. We're gonna take some braiding gel and smooth out. So we can helps this smooth. Take your elastic band. I'm gonna continue to do the rubber bands and then move on to the back. Girl, why my part look crooked?
I continued to moisturize each section with the Camille Rose Curl Aid Moisture Butter and put them in twist for the time being till I'm ready to crochet the braiding hair in and actually do the Senegalese twist. I also wanted to mention that I put oil on the rubber bands to prevent breakage, and I also rarely ever blow dry my hair when I'm doing a protective style, but really you should do what's best for you. I just know how to manage my hair without using the blow dryer. What has always worked for me is doing the front before the back and pre-parting.
all the hair is spread out on my beds. We're gonna separate the twist and then we're gonna twist each strand while twisting, if that makes sense. So you see how I'm twirling each of them. God help me. When we move out, what y'all gonna do?
I'm gonna find hairdresser.
Okay.
I'm just pay you for do it.
You know, I pay me one shit out, it's too long.
But does not say $100 you can get.
We don't want $100 more.
I forgot to explain what I was doing, but to add the curls, you just put it between the two strands and then continue twisting.
And then at the end of the twist, I'm just gonna put a rubber band.
So here you can see me pushing the crochet needle through the root where the rubber band is, and then I just hook on the braiding hair and just pull it through.
So I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 left.